Oh, hello, crafties. Today is a really special day, and I just wanted to shimmy in here to give you a heads up that today Love in Bloom is going to launch at 9 uh, EET tonight, Eastern European time, and that will be, let's see here, at 2 EST, 2 p.m. EST. So there are just a couple of hours left now before it's launch time. And I'm super excited about this. I've been talking about this collection for quite some time now. I think I've been talking about it for 4 months, maybe. Or even more. I always wanted to have this special premium collection that is for those of you who really need unique graphics for your own projects, for your shop or products or client work, because it's really hard to find unique graphics that are not seen all over the internet, as many packs are sold in indefinite numbers. So if you have, say, some annoying copycat, or you have a client that really wants unique work from you, then this is the solution. Because even though they can of course copy the style and everything like that, it's really hard for people to copy the graphics right away because they cannot get their hands on them, so to speak. So if someone grabs them and uses or snatches the graphics, it's really hard to follow up with. So this is a solution for all of you that are struggling with this. And for me, Wallifyer, I am the illustrator and designer of Wallifyer, and the aim of Wallifyer is to make life easier for creatives selling their products online or selling products, in a brick or mortar shop using graphics, digital graphics in their designing process. So this is something I really look forward to, and I'm so happy we come to this day today, and I hope you will join in with me on the launch tonight, because I will be so thrilled sitting here and just pressing the on the live button. I've been working really hard to get this project moving this far. It's so much things you have to consider while doing this. So I'm really happy that finally we're here and that I can provide you with this special service. And I've been struggling myself in the past with copycats and finding graphics that are not seen all over the internet. So this was like the idea behind Wallifyer in the first place. And I have these limited collections that runs for like 3 months, and then they are ended, and I take all the graphic packs off the site and off for sale. So those are another kind of limited edition, but this is limited in quantities. But the signature collection is something that is there forever on my site, so you can snatch graphics when you need them. If you have a client work, or you have a project, or you need to create something, then I always there to provide you with that. But on top of that, you find the seasonal collections, and you find now the premium collection as well. So I'm really, really thrilled, and I hope you are feeling this excitement too, because this is all for you, and I really hope that this will make your life much easier moving on, because it can be such a hard place selling online sometimes. Tell me, I know about it. So yeah. But anyway, it's a quite dark day here in Scandinavia. There are storm going around here the island, and there's not much sunlight here, so I have to keep this live short so you see me and not everything is shadows and stuff. Yeah, it's I have to find a solution for that too, some studio setting of some kind. But so many musts in life. But anyway, I really, really hope that you join in this live, because it's such a special thing for me, and I think it is for you too, because now we can level up this even like 10 notches maybe. Fantastic news. But anyway, I also have something. I got a question yesterday that I didn't have time to answer because I think there was a time zone difference, so I do it now. And it's for Minnie, and she asked what is vectors. And vectors is different from JPEGs and PNGs. I will keep this really simple, as I understand this is totally new for you. So anyway, vectors are a type of file that you convert shapes or forms into mathematical unities. This sounds very, oh my God, I'm in deep water now trying to explain this. But anyway, you can expand those indefinitely and they will not lose any quality at all. And you use different kinds of programs using those vectors than you do using PNGs and JPEGs. Of course, you can use JPEGs and PNGs in vector programs as well, but just like this on this basic level. Say you vectors are used in, say, Illustrator, and raster files, that is JPEG and PNGs, are used in Photoshop kind of programs. And vectors are hard to use in, say, apps on your phone and such. So on your phone and on your tablet or something like that, apps often use the raster file formats of images. I hope I answered your question there, but if you have more questions, or you didn't really get my scientific explanation here, please let me know. So yeah. And I also had this question from Kyla, which I'm so sorry I haven't had time to answering, and it was about which kind of pencils I use, color pencils I use when I draw. And I use several types of pencils, but as I'm going all animal cruelty free in my practices here in Wallifyer, I have to check on all those color pencils. That's why I haven't answered you yet what I can recommend for you, because I haven't been using color pencils now since the transition to animal cruelty free, 100% animal cruelty free practices, when I know everything about every single art supply that I use. So I have to check first, so I don't say or recommend something that are, not that animal friendly. I hope you get it, Kyla. I will get back to you, and I promise you, and I will check, because I need to know this too. Because of course I will draw illustrations using color pencils in the future, so I need to know myself. So yeah, so hang in there. I will get back to you. I hope you see this, Kyla, and I hope you also join in tonight when I have this special little launch of my premium collection. But anyway, if you have any questions about anything regarding clip arts, using the usage of graphics in your products, or you want to learn more about software, or you are just in a creative rut, please let me know. Maybe I can help you with that. So yeah. But anyway, remember then also, I almost forgot that you get a special discount code that you find in your email or your inbox that I'm sending you. I think you got it yesterday, and you will get one when it's launch time as well. And in that email, you will find a secret coupon code that grants you 30% off for the first 24 hours for when launching this Love in Bloom pack. So don't miss that, because yeah, don't just miss that. And if you are not on my newsletter, so please feel free to join in. I think I dropped the link here, in the description of this live video. So please shim in there, and I will send you manually this discount code, because there is, like, automated things going out, and I will snatch you. I promise you I will snatch you. And if I don't, please send me a message so I know I have to send you the code, okay? Does that sound fair? Okay, yeah. But anyway, you hear my voice is still not okay, so I have to keep this short. But I really appreciate you listening to me while I sound like this. But see you tonight, and have a great day, or morning, or evening, or wherever you are. Bye bye, crafties.